We have done most of the pre-flight and the interior pre-flight. We're going to taxi out and take off. The flight will be about 2 hours, a little over 2 hours, and we'll take some video while we're going. And I'm doing something a little different since the battery on the external camera won't last for 2 hours. I'm going to do a time lapse. Hopefully that'll last a whole 2 hours. So we'll see you a little further into the flight. All right, we are stabilized at 5,500 feet, and we're about to finish flying over Mobile Bay. We're on course for Auburn. Really hazy day. I'll turn the camera around in a minute.
Hawk 30 Yankee, you guys going to continue direct to Auburn? You headed kind of towards a corner of the airspace. I didn't know which way you're going to turn.
I'm headed straight to Auburn, 30 Yankee.
Roger, you going to overfly the Atmore area?
Roger.
Thank you.
Okay, I don't know what he was asking me that for.
Because he said you were at the edge of the airspace.
Yeah, off to Pensacola. Anyway, there's the puffy little clouds. Very hazy. There's North Mobile Bay that we're flying over. So, the rest of the trip is like this. There's not going to be a whole lot to look at.
Oh.
But that's sometimes flying. So we'll catch you a little later in the trip.
Juliet Sierra, if I didn't tell you, amend now to maintain power 270 Atlanta's request.
All right, that's Jacksonville Center.
3150 heavy contact, Jacksonville Center 128.07. Good day.
We were just handed off by Pensacola to Jacksonville Center, which handles all this big airspace out here. We're about 45 minutes into the...
956 Mike Alpha Jackson, Roger, Crestview, altimeter is 3025.
About 45 minutes into the trip.
November 761 Juliet Sierra, maintain power 230.
And we were diverted by Mobile Approach a little bit to go around some jet traffic, and that kind of delayed us a little bit, but...
377 Jackson, Roger.
That's the way it works. You have to do what they tell you. The clouds have become less puffy.
ExoJet 794 Jackson, Roger.
Over here, they're broken, but they're still quite close together, but better here. So that's what the weather's calling for, broken cloud layer. So we are pushing it on to Auburn. Everything is looking good. We are a little over an hour to the trip, and going to be passing the little town of Georgiana here off the left wing. Ain't much to it from 5,000 feet, but I'll show it to you as soon as we get a little closer. Maintaining about 110 miles an hour ground speed, which is not bad for this airplane. All right, there's Georgiana, the big metropolis of Georgiana. And there's in front of us. Pretty cool. All right, we are just about to hit Tuskegee, about 14 minutes before we hit the airport. I'll start my letdown in a few minutes, and we'll see you when we land. It's been a pretty uneventful trip so far, and that's great.
All right, maybe I can get the Auburn logo in. We did arrive safely The crosswind was really brisk, and I floated a little bit on landing, but I salvaged a squeaker out of it. So I don't think she was too scared.
Not at all.
So we made it here. When we head back, we're probably going to fly 6,500 feet and try and stay out of the thermals. There was a few bumps along the way at 5,500 because of the thermals. But anyway, we'll take a little video of where we're going in Auburn, just a few places, have lunch, and maybe hit a thrift store or two. All right, we finally made it to lunch. Yeah, in order, we're at Boomhauer's in Auburn. Even though Boomhauer is an Alabama guy. Baumhauer. Boomhauer is on.
It's on that hill.
Yeah, Hank Hill, yeah.
King of the hill.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
This is the lovely Auburn Airport Terminal. Beautiful. Well, we are back. We had to stop in Greenville, yeah, sorry. Greenville, because I had an erroneous fuel reading when we took off from Auburn, and I wanted to double check my fuel. We just bought some more fuel to be safe. As it turned out, we could have made it back, but never
hurts to
it
be
never
safe
hurts to be
sorry.
Safe. And the only thing about the trip was that it was so much water vapor in the air and so hazy, really obscured a lot of things out in front of us. But it was an enjoyable trip. We had a good time in Auburn. Sandy found a few things for her Poshmark business. How do you get to your Poshmark business?
My closet is Cindy Luhu 727.
There you go. Please visit her closet, and you can buy what she's buying, and it's really nice stuff. So until next time, thanks.
Ciao.